Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about improving your trading, you need to backtest your strategy. But here's the thing, backtesting doesn't have to be complicated. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to backtest your trading strategy over a full month. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this guide will help you evaluate if your strategy actually works, without risking a penny. Let's dive in. Step 1 is simple. Pick a pair and time frame. Start with one currency pair or crypto pair, like EUR, USD, or BTC-CHA USDT. You want consistency here, so focus on just one instrument. Next, choose your time frame. You might prefer shorter time frames like the 1 hour or 4 hour charts, or maybe you want to test a strategy on daily charts. The key here is to stay consistent throughout your test. Step 2 is gathering historical data. You'll want to test on real past price action. Head to your trading platform, like TradingView or MetaTrader, and load up the chart from the previous month. For example, let's say you want to test in March. Scroll back to March 1st and go all the way to March 31st. This ensures you're testing in a time frame that simulates live trading conditions. Step 3 is where you get specific. Define your strategy rules. Be super clear on your entry conditions, like maybe you're using order blocks and fair value gaps. Your stop loss could be placed below the last swing low, and your take profit could be at a 2.1 risk to reward ratio. The point is, every single trade must follow the same rules you've set up. The key here is consistency. When backtesting, don't second guess yourself. If your strategy says enter when this happens, do it without hesitation. Step 4 is using replay mode or manual scrolling. Now that you have your chart, turn on replay mode. On TradingView, you can use the bar replay tool to watch the chart develop candle by candle. This helps you simulate live trading, so you can make decisions as if you're trading in real time. You might be tempted to skip ahead, but trust me, don't cheat. You need to react to the market like it's live. This helps you practice patience and discipline. Step 5 is tracking every trade. This part is crucial for improving. You want to log every single trade you make, even if it's a small loss or a break-even trade. Use a spreadsheet or trading journal and track things like date and time of the trade, entry price, stop loss and take profit, result, did you win or lose, risk to reward ratio, RR. Tracking your trades like this gives you a concrete record to analyze at the end of your backtest. Plus, you'll learn from your mistakes and successes. Step 6 is reviewing your results. After you've gone through the entire month, it's time to analyze your performance. Look at things like win rate. How many trades did you win compared to how many you lost? Average risk to reward. Were you getting good returns for the risk you took? Net profit or loss? What's your overall performance in terms of R? Did you make a profit or did you lose money? Look for patterns. Maybe you lose on certain days of the week or your stop loss was hit more often than expected. This is your chance to optimize your strategy before applying it to live markets. Step 7 is all about improvement. Did your strategy perform well, or are there areas that need tweaking? Ask yourself, did I follow my plan strictly? Did I let emotions or market noise influence my decisions? Was my risk management on point? Make adjustments where necessary and then repeat the process. Backtesting is a cycle. The more you do it, the better your strategy becomes. And that's it. You've now learned how to backtest your trading strategy over a full month. If your strategy holds up in backtesting, it's likely ready for real-world application. But remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, so always trade responsibly. I hope this guide helps you become a better, more confident trader. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a trading tip. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep trading smart.